What's up? Joseph here. I have this device in my pocket, in my backpack, in my crossbody at all times. This is the one device I really don't leave the house without, and it's my AirPods Pro. I've had these things for almost 3 years, and they're probably the best in-ear earbuds I've ever had. And today I want to talk about 5 things I like about these and 5 things I dislike about these. Before I start, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow this community. It helps more than you know. So 5 things I like about these AirPod Pros. First is probably noise cancellation. A lot of headphones have had noise cancellation, but nothing to the level these have been, where it basically literally cancels everything out in your ear in an earbud. We've seen it a lot before these with over-the-ear headphones, but never in-ear. And I think the noise cancellation on these really make these what they are, especially with the fact that they fit in your pocket. Next up is transparency mode. I've always had earbuds that you can just hear the surroundings, but the fact that these take speakers and bring the surroundings into your ear at almost a real level of just street sound and any really sound without even knowing is truly amazing. I think what really worried people when these came out was how powerful the noise cancellation was, but the fact that you can also just dump it into transparency mode and hear everything outside really saved the fact of how powerful the noise cancellation is. And that when you have both turned off, you still can't hear much because they are still really tightly in your ear. Next up is spatial audio. I had no idea what spatial audio was until I really used these. You hear it really a lot with the AirPods Max, but with these, you still really hear it. And it's very interesting when I run and I'm bobbing my head around is you can really hear your music and whatever you're listening to in surround sound. And I think that's something that's just remarkable to an earbud. And then the case. This thing's small. It's a small case. We've seen what the Beats are. We've seen what a lot of other earbuds of other brands are. But these are small. They fit in your pocket. They don't take up much room in your pocket. You can throw them in a backpack and it's a small real estate of space. And I mean, this case is great, and I personally like it more than the old AirPods, the first AirPods case. So I think they're doing well with this kind of horizontal looking case. And I mean, it's kind of addicting and it's kind of soothing to do. And then design. These things are slick. Like, these are just cool, slick looking headphones, and you know the Apple way, when you put these in your ear, everyone knows that you're wearing AirPods. So I think that the design of these are just great. And you'll notice that I do have different silicone tips on them, which I'll talk about a little bit later, but I personally like the black better, but I think these are some cool looking, slick looking earbuds. Now, 5 things I dislike about these. I dislike the battery a lot. I think the battery on these is absolutely terrible, and not so much that when they work the battery is great. There's times I'll be having these just in my backpack or in my pocket or my crossbody or whatever, and I'll be on my phone and all of a sudden it'll say, my AirPods have connected. And that's not right, because when that happens, it's draining battery for no apparent reason, and when you go to use them, they're either low on battery or dead. So I think there's something that can be improved with kind of how the battery works with these, and I think it's something that can be fixed. Next is the fit. Yes, these have silicone tips on them, and I'm going to talk about that later, like I said earlier. But it's an acquired fit. It's a fit that either works for you or you kind of have to get used to. The AirPods 3 is a different fit where they kind of just sit in your ear. The AirPods before that, another one where they just sit in your ear. So this is an acquired fit where if you don't like that feeling of silicone tips and you don't like that feeling of kind of your ears being clogged up, these won't be for you. And then the silicone tips. The white silicone tips that come with these, as they're a lot more comfortable in the ear, they don't stay in your ear and they kind of suck from that regard. So I got these like memory foam black ones that kind of, you put them in and they really just mold into your ear. And with that, they do feel more clogged in your ear, but they can sit in there for a longer period of time. And with these ones, I can actually work out with them. With the silicones, I couldn't go on a run, or really for that matter, even a walk without having to adjust them every 10 minutes. So I think that the silicone tips are something that Apple could really improve on what's shipped with these, so you don't have to go third party. Next up is they're not water resistant. It's 2022. Our iPhones are literally water resistant to the max. And I live in Seattle, so I deal with a lot of rain. And as I wear these in the rain, never had issues with it. It's just not a great feeling when you're putting $250 AirPod Pros in your ear, and the rain could ruin them and you just don't know. And then lastly is connectivity issues. I talked about it earlier. Apple needs to work on the connectivity of these. It is really cool how they connect to all your devices, and that's great and amazing, but it's not the most consistent yet. And from that, it's not the most consistent from going to device, and it's also not the most consistent when you put them in here to charge, and they're not always connected, and sometimes they randomly connect to any one of my devices and then drain through the battery. So that's another thing Apple can work on. In Q4 of this year, Apple's supposed to be coming out with the next generation of these, because this is the first generation of the AirPods Pro, and they're supposed to be coming out with the AirPods Pro 2 with whatever improvements they'll be adding to those. I'm excited to see. So we'll see if I got any of those right. Maybe Apple's listening. Who knows? But until the next video, I appreciate all the support. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.